Right. So sets are all about grouping things together. So, for example, describe this set. You put these are called elements. So Saturday, Sunday, and I always put these are elements inside a set, and I always put them inside curly brackets like that. These are called elements. How many elements are inside the set? Two. Can you describe in words what these elements mean? Yeah, the weekend, isn't it? Saturday and Sunday. So A is the set that includes the weekend. Or you could say they're the days that are not during the week. Actually, you can say it backwards. All right. So if I write a set, so a different set, I call it set A, and I'll put in numbers. It can be numbers too. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so question number 1 is 1 an element of the set A? True or false?
True.
True. That means, can you see it? Is 1 in there?
Yes.
Obviously is 4 an element of A?
True.
True. And okay, I can write is 5 an element of A? Oh, sorry, I'll change that. Is 7 an element of A?
False.
False. Another way I can write that, watch this. 7 is not an element of A. Is that true? That's true. It's not an element, so you don't see it inside it. Okay. So let's say we have the set A and we have the set B. So the set A, I'm going to call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the set B, I'm going to call it 3 and 4. Now this symbol here means contained inside. Right. So my first question, is the set B contained inside? Can you see it inside set A?
True.
True. Is the opposite false? Is all of B, is all of A inside? Is A inside B? Can you see all of A inside B? False. Or I can say A is not contained in B. That would be true. Okay, contained inside. Okay, next one. What's common to both?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Let's have a look. 3 and 4. Okay, how do I write that? Look up. So that is A intersection B is equal to 3, 4. So what does intersection mean?
Inside.
What they have in
common.
common. What they have in common. All right, I'm going to do this one here. Union B. So means list all elements. Look up. Okay, so this time I'm going to list all the elements in A and B. So we'll start off with the lowest. We go at 1, 2, looking up, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do I have to list it twice? No. All the elements in A and B. Union. List all elements in A and B. Okay? So there's another good example. All right. There's another question here. List all elements. So for example, A, it'll take me a little while. X. List the elements of X such that X, this line means such that X is a planet beginning with M. Alright, can you name the planets beginning with M? Mars. Mercury.
Moon.
Too small to be called a planet. Alright, Mars and Mercury. Okay, so another step. Can you go A, what does hashtag mean?
Like you put words after.
The number of elements in A is equal to 2. Alright, see this? So that was a statement. The elements of, so I should wrote A. I'll leave it as X. So all the planets begin with M. Okay, so that's a statement. Let's see. Okay, so another question. So I'm going to write A is equal to, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll leave it there. Now we're going to write the sentence. What's that? Can you tell me the sentence I should write up here for this? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the elements of the elements of X. What are these? These are the what kind of numbers are these? These are natural numbers from 1 to 4. Natural numbers from 1 to 4. Okay? If I give you another set, if I said it was B is equal to A, E, I, O, and U. What are they? Vowels. So how do I write the statement? First of all, I write B. All the vowels in alphabet. Okay? And curly brackets at the end. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Alright. Now we're on to drawing sets. So now to put in an element I have to put a dot beside it. Right. Okay, so look up here. Look up here. We'll call this set A and this set B. What does this N mean again? Common. What do they have in common? Where's common?
2 and 6.
Look up. Look up. Yeah, 2 and 6. This section here. So the answer is 2, 6. What does this mean? Union. So that's intersection, union. All. List all. So list all. List them all from the lowest to the highest.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, and 7. Okay? Is that alright? So we'll leave that there. Now watch. We could put a box outside, and this box is called U for the universe. Universal. Now watch, look up, because you're still scribbling. If I put the number 1 there and another number that's not in there, the number 8 up there. Okay. Right. I'll come back to that. Right, we'll go with A dash. What does this A dash mean?
What's outside the
Outside A.
8.
Outside A.
1, comma.
So we'll look at A. There's A. What's in A? 2, 4, 5, and 6. So what's outside of A?
1 and 8.
Do my curly brackets properly. What's outside of A?
1 and 8.
1, 3, 7, and 8 are outside of A. Okay, let's do B. What's outside of B? Hold my hand, cover all of the ones that are in B. What's outside of B?
1 and 8.
1, 4, 5, and 8. Okay? Right, so that's alright so far, isn't it? Okay. So yeah, I can go A. What's outside of A? Right, I'll come back to that. Now there's another one. A. What does that mean? That's
What's in A and B?
A. I don't want B. A, but not in B. So I want A, but I don't want anything in B. Look up. All right, look up. So I want A. So we'll look at A first. But I don't want anything that has B in it. What's left?
4 and 5.
We'll do it the other way. B, but I don't want anything in A. So here's B. But I don't want anything in A.
3 and 7.
I don't want any of A. See, I block A. So B, but I don't want any 3 and 7. All right. Right.
What happens if the dash is the other way, like facing, like?
No, it won't be the other way. No. Right. Okay. Another one. A intersection B. Less. Watch. Look up. First of all, we'll figure out what A intersection B is. What's A intersection B again?
2 and 6.
2 and 6. So what happens if I put this dash outside?
The outside of A.
Everything outside. Right. What's everything outside of 2 and 6?
1 and 8.
Everything outside?
5, 3, 7, 1 and 8.
1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Okay, so like everything outside of that. So 1, 3, 4, 5. Was there a 7? Yeah, 7 and 8. Yeah. Okay, now if I do A union B. What's A union B? All of A and all of B.
2, 3, 4.
Curly brackets 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and
7.
7. If I do A union B dash, what's that? Everything outside of that?
1 and 8.
1 and 8.